Connaissance, c'est puissance. Voyons un petit temps dans la journée pour nous apprendre des 3 mots anglais. Ça.
Jour dans semaine nan. Days of the week. Days of the week. Dimanche. Sunday. Sunday. Lundi. Monday. Monday. Mardi. Tuesday. Tuesday. Mercredi. Wednesday. Wednesday. Jeudi. Thursday. Thursday. Vendredi. Friday. Friday. Samedi. Saturday. Saturday.
Si vous aimez, la page là, partagez. Thank you.